ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಕೆ.ಎನ್. ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕ, ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿ, ಪೇಪರ್ ರೂರಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ರೇರಿಯನ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಸೆಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂರಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್, ಮಿತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ. Introduction. The village is unit of the Indian society. The rise of the village is bound up with the rise of agricultural economy in history. Village is as old as human history and an integral part of human society. India resides in villages which according to structure and ecology are of different types. India multiplicity can be seen in the types of villages. Definition of village. According to A.W. Green, a village community or rural community is a cluster of people living within a narrow territorial radius who share a common way of life. Definition of village community. According to H.V. Nagesh, in the Indian context is a small geographical area and small in size with limited populations, that is less than 5,000 population and 40 persons per square kilometer, occupying agricultural and traditions occupations, living in joint family is called as village. Structurally, villages in India can be divided into following types on the basis of structure. On the basis of structure, we classified 4 types of villages. These are the nucleated villages, the linear village, dispersed village, the mixed village. The nucleated village. This is a common pattern of settlement, mostly discernible in paddy growing areas. In this type of village, homes of farmers and artisans are clustered together. Then the linear village. In these types of village, houses are built on parallel rows. Each house is surrounded by small gardens. The paddy fields are at a distance from of the house. Then the dispersed village. The village in which the dwelling places of the village lay scattered or diffused is called a dispersed village. The mixed village. It is the mixture of nucleated and dispersed pattern of settlement. In this type of village settlement, there is a larger compact settlement of houses. On the basis of residence, according to H.J. Peak, on the basis of residence, there are 3 types of villages. These are as following. Migratory village. Here people live for few months or for a session. They collect their food from natural resources. Then semi-permanent agricultural village. In semi-permanent agricultural villages, people reside for few years at a particular place and migrate to another place due to the exhaustion of the productivity of land. Permanent agricultural village. In permanent agricultural village, people live permanently for generation to generation. They develop village organization and social relations within their own village. On the basis of organization, cooperative villages. In this type of village, landowner individually and people pull their resources together for common cultivation and farming. Semi collective village. In such villages, land belongs to the collective body. All means of production and resources are owned collectively. Then collective villages. In this type of village, the villagers live in a communal settlement where all property is collectively owned and all the arrangements are on a collective basis. On the basis of land ownership, landlord villages. In such villages, land is owned by individual family or a few number of families known as landlords. Raitwari villages. In Raitwari villages, farmers are the owners of the land and they cultivate it. They directly pay the rent to the government without any intermediary. Such villages are known as Raitwari villages where land is owned by rights or cultivators. S.C. Dubey, Sham Sharan Dubey's Indian village societies are classified as follows based on population density: small villages, mid-sized villages, large villages, very large villages. Midjanese village societies are classified as focused villages, scattered villages. According to Shanti Bhushan, Nandi and D.S. Tyagi, shapeless group or group of streets, group by linear group or free space, square or rectangular group, villages that are individually home with only one. Then conclusion, recent studies identified many kinds of villages. Every village is different from others with unique feathers. Likewise, every village has its own problems. The planner for rural development can make use of these types of villages. Modern researchers with different views made possible to identify these kinds of villages. Thank you.